welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and today we're going to do some salsa, starting out with the forward and back basic. Let's get right into it.
Leader's foot directions. So with my left foot first, I'm going to go small step forward on my left foot. This is a rock step. I replace back to my right foot, leaving it exactly where it was, and then I close my feet together. My right foot is now free to go do a rock step backwards on my right foot here. My left foot replaces, leaving it exactly where it was. My right foot closes to my left foot. My rhythm here, quicks and slows, is quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. My timing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift from the side one time so you can get a different angle here. So I'm going forward, back, together, back, forward, together, or quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, or 1, 2, 3, I hold 4 and go 5, 6, 7, hold 8.
Okay, followers, let's go over your foot directions. We're going to start with the right foot going backwards. We're going to replace forward on the left, bring our feet closed in the middle and switching our weight. Going forward on the left, rocking back on the right, closing our feet together and switching. And then we can repeat that. So again, we go back, forward, together, forward, back, together. With some rhythm first from the side, we would go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. With some timing, we're gonna use salsa and 1. We would go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And with Chris, we'll talk about the passing basic.
Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so leading and following this closed basic, right? I'm just gonna hold my frame up here. We're already connected pretty well. I'm just moving myself forward to make this small rock step as we replace and close our feet together, always coming back to the middle, and then we'll go rock in the other direction, come back and close our feet together each time, right? Really, really small steps just underneath ourselves. You can see we don't travel a lot, but we do change a little bit of weight, and we always come back into the middle. I'm not pushing and pulling her around, I'm just moving myself each time, and you can practice not even really holding on because I'm just moving my own body instead of pushing and pulling her around. We like to do this connection drill a lot of the time where we just hold with like a fingertip because I'm just moving myself lightly and initiating this pattern, and then we continue in sync here instead of feeling like I need to push and pull into every single pattern, which might work for the basic, but if you want to lead more things that as you get more advanced, it makes it really difficult to discern the differences.
Yeah, so some key points for this is obviously salsa has a lot of rock steps. So a rock step means we're not using our entire weight or shifting our entire weight over the foot each time. So what we don't want to see is going something like this where we go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Obviously I'm exaggerating there. So part of this obviously is taking a smaller step. So we're gonna take a half baby step back, and what we're gonna do is keep our weight underneath ourselves. So I'm not gonna go all the way back with my spine. So if you watch our spines here, we are moving a little bit, but we're not moving all the way. I'm keeping my weight forward towards my partner, coming back together, same thing here. We're not shifting our full weight here. So that's important to stay on the timing, to make sure you're connected to your partner, and to just be efficient without kind of losing your balance. So that is an important tip. Another important one is to focus on the rhythm. So we have a quick, quick, slow, which means in the center, we do have an extra beat there. So when we're doing our basic, we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So we have 2 counts to change our weight, which in the faster salsa music is nice because it kind of gives you a breather for a second. If you're practicing with slow music, it's a challenge because you really do have to hold or slowly change your weight on that middle step. With the numbers, we have an extra beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're not stepping or changing our weight on the 4 or the 8 in this version of the salsa.
All right, so another more advanced version of this basic is we can let our feet pass in the middle. And what I mean is that we're not gonna close them all the way together, we're gonna keep moving forward and back. So this looks more confusing than it really is. We do the rock step and we still leave our foot where it was and replace, but now instead of closing, we just move a little bit, again, instead of closing our feet all the way together. We then do the rock step on the other side. We replace leaving that foot where it was, and on the third step, we're gonna now travel a little bit instead of closing the feet together. And that's the basic, right? So I can go, for me, forward, back, 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 forward, forward. And for Lynn, she's going back, forward, forward, and then she's going forward, back, back. It's the same rhythm, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, but you can see this moves much more. It's a slot dance, like we move in a linear path here, and it starts to be a little bit more dynamic instead of feeling like we always come back to the middle, which is an amazing place to start and get used to this dance. And as you get more advanced, it can start to move a little bit more forward and back, and you'll find it helps you to get in and out of some more advanced patterns.
For sure. So we definitely recommend starting just to get your bearings with the closed basic, which is our forward and back basic. And this is kind of like, once you master that, you can start practicing with the passing basic to get you used to things like crossbody lead, which you'll see shortly in the future. All right guys, thanks for sticking to the end of the video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know. We also have a website, ballroomfeed.com, which we have the rest of the salsa patterns up there for you, including combination videos, technique, and more, as well as many other dance styles, so be sure to check it out. Subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye.